Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we will talk about the holes in the board. As you saw in the previous picture, there are lines of holes running up and down either side of the board. You will be sticking things in those holes. There are two other holes you may be sticking things in, and that's the two in the front of the board. As you can see, two places where you can plug things in. Generally, you will use the left one to attach a USB plug and thereby to your computer. And you will use the right one to power your board when it's away from your computer by using either a wall plug or batteries. The left plug will be used to upload the code into the board. It can be used to control whatever hardware you attach to the little holes on the left and the right. That's what an Arduino is. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any question, please ask it in the Q&A board. See you next lesson.